A team of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMWJU today left for Andaman and Nicobar for external tour. The team included 18 women and 12 men journalists. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren flagged off the team from Manipur Press Club today. The tour was organized by Directorate of Information and Public Relations. Speaking to media person, Chief Minister N. Biren praised the roles of journalists in the state. On the other hand, he spoke about the upcoming Lok Sabha election.
Manipur and one Kokiba. Adugi Makamdu ngasi second habits I want to I feel proud and I nasu I is Haitigi, other lady by Pududai Lamna, Sasing with Celibacy Tangday Kurumzari, Roina Adugumba, a Kogi, Palmission as I or Matunda, Magi Mount Manipur, Urakanda, Yangakanda, Adugumba, Maduki, recognition Piriba, a quick respect of Piriba, Kogi historically, Mapamamat and Piriba Dugumba, Bharati Prime Minister, appreciate Toba. Indian Home Minister will appreciate Toba, one Toyna Kali at the Tautu Organ Taze, and a Quimam, Nasum, the Salise, swing arm the Yoba, the swing arm the Salurama Halapa, I decided to get blessing already we have taken up all the required security measures. We have started also, I took a review of the security, the deployment of the security forces in the outer and the inner parliamentary constituencies, and I have instructed all the concerned security officials to keep alert so that we can to avoid any unwanted accident during the election.